Welcome to Code Trap Explain, where we break down the trickiest quirks in coding. Let's look at today's code trap. Can you escape the trap? Here's today's code trap. We have an object foo with a bar property set to 1 and a baz method that returns this dot bar. We then extract baz into a standalone function called fn and update foo.bar to 2. When we call fn and log the result, what do we get? Is it A1, B2, C, undefined, or D, a reference error? Think carefully about what happens to this keyword when a method is detached from its object. Click the link in the caption to cast your vote on X. I hope you have cast your answer on X. Now let's look at the answer and understand the concept behind it. The answer is C, undefined. Let's break down exactly why. The trap begins on line 8. When you write let fn equals foo.bars, you are not copying the method with its object context. You are extracting just the bare function reference. From that moment, fn holds a reference to the same function, but it has completely lost its connection to a foo. It has no idea the function ever belonged to the object foo. This brings us to the core concept. In JavaScript, the value of this is not determined where a function is defined. It is resolved at call time based on how that function is actually invoked. When you call foo.baz with an object before the dot, JavaScript performs what is called implicit binding. It sees the object and sets this to foo. So this dot bar correctly accesses foo's bar property. But when you call fn as a standalone function, no object, no dot notation, JavaScript has no context to work with. It falls back to default binding. In non-strict mode, this becomes the global object window in browsers, global in node.js. The global object has no bar property, so this dot bar evaluates to undefined. Now, foo.bar being updated to 2 on line 9 is a deliberate red herring. It would only affect the output if this were still pointing to foo inside fn. But since fn lost its binding, that update has absolutely no effect on the result. There are two clean ways to fix this trap. First, use bind. Write foo.baz.bind foo. This permanently locks this to foo, no matter how or where fn is later called. Second, use call at the invocation site, fn.callFoo. This injects foo as this for that one specific call. The rule to take away this is about how a function is called and not where it was written. Thanks for watching Code Trap Explain. Did you escape the trap? If you did, hit that like button. If not, drop a comment below showing exactly where you got caught. Don't forget to subscribe for more coding traps, and I'll see you in the next one.